Hi fellow viewers to everybody, my name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this necrological video. By the way, I would like to inform to the viewers that I will be using two dialects, English and Filipino, which is the official language or national language, Tagalog. For those who knows this person, I will mention the complete name and her nickname. The person that I'm referring to is Ma'am Loreto Clor Saturnino. Her nickname is Baby. By the way, to those who knows her, siya po ay si Loreto Clor Baby Saturnino. She was born on December 9, 1950. She just died on October 9, 2021 at age 70. Bago siya ilibing, siya po ay dinala sa funeral na pangalan Rizal Funeral Homes mismo sa Pasay City. So, yun po ang koan. On the family background, during that time, she was survived by her husband, Delphine. Yan yung asawa niya. Meron siyang na-survive din na sons and daughter-in-law. Sila ay si Jonathan, Lawrence Bia, B-I-A, Lawrence Bia, Anthony, Bernard, at saka Raquel. Tapos, ang grandchildren ay, or yung mga apo ay si Arian Kyle, Anthony Kevin, Allison, at Alexa. Siya po ay nilibing October 17, 2021. Ito po ay Sunday. Kung meron kayong old calendars or previous reference calendar, lalabas din to. Sunday. Siya ay nilibing sa Manila Memorial Park, Parañaque City, Metro Manila. Ibig sabihin, from Rizal Funeral Homes, when the burial settled, it was final Manila Memorial Park, Parañaque City, Metro Manila. Okay, so yes, this is a simple necrological video. Thank you for listening in this video. Good morning.